Welcome back guys in my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in today's tutorial I would like to address one point, that is how to call through internet without any cost, without any SIM, to any part of the world. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel, so not wasting much of your time. Let us start. So go to Chrome and here just search Glowphone, and here you will come to one site, all courtesy to this site only. We are now able to call any part of the world without any cost, without any SIM, without any cost. So just click this. Here you can see call. If you press call, then here you have to enter name. Suppose I am giving here the name of my channel, and then next. So you have to give any number. I am giving one number. So then call. Now it is initializing. Button view engine, then ready. Now you can see call in progress and speaking. So this is now I have disconnected the call. The call will connect and you can talk. So this is all about today's tutorial, how to make free calls. You can also go to the main page of website, and you can see here that Glowphone, and you can see here that there are some other facilities, videos, share, SMS, free text online you can do. So you can now explore this website. You can call, you can SMS free, all without any cost, without any SIM. So just have a fun guys, and in case of urgency you can call via this website. This is all about today's tutorial. Thank you very much guys. Thanks again.